Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to repair this motherfucker. So yeah, let's do this. First, we have to clean it with this motherfucking bitch. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, I think it's clean enough. Yeah, so what do we use now? Maybe this one. Fuck you. I don't know, it's broken. It's still broken, I don't know what fucking happened. What the fuck? So yeah, I think it's still broken. I don't know. I thought that will fucking work, but I don't know now. Maybe we'll fucking use this one.